Hey, Dr. Amber here. I just wrapped up a session with a client and we talked about something that I also think you might need to hear. Sometimes we're going through life, we're doing the work, developing new coping skills, learning how to manage life stressors differently, and sometimes you kind of question, am I making progress? Am I moving forward in the right way? It's hard to tell because stressors keep coming. Life keeps happening, keeps happening, and it's hard to know how you're doing. But here's one indicator that you're probably doing better than you think, and it is your emotional recovery time. So maybe in the past, when something bad happened to you, it felt devastating. It took you out for days. You had to be in bed. You couldn't handle it. You couldn't talk to people. You just completely shut down. But now, if that same thing happens, you take it, it hurts, you can acknowledge how it feels, but you're still able to move through life. It doesn't take you out like you used to. And it's because your recovery time to these things have shifted. It's probably decreased or it's not so drastic. And that right there is a really big indication that you're probably doing a little bit better than you think. Yes, life keeps happening, life is gonna keep happening, but you being able to cope and recover and manage through the things happening to you, you're doing a great job. You're doing a great job, and I hope you feel that today.